Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe.
Morning, guys. It's okay. There, better. Today's what, Tuesday? I feel like this is better. There you go. Today is Tuesday. It's 7:19. I just listened to a sermon on YouTube for about an hour. Hey, baby. Your name, your school uniform. All right. I need to brush your hair.
Oh, I was about to do it.
Okay. Good morning, Maddie. You need to get dressed. But I just listened to a entire sermon on YouTube. It's called, what's the name of it? Let It Go. Let It Go. And it's a great sermon. I will put it down in the description box below if you want to go and listen to it. It's an amazing sermon. Let me tell you. It's 1 hour. Usually I'm laying in bed and just like sulking about having to get up. I got dressed for the entire hour that he was there preaching, and I got all the motivation I needed to get out of bed and just be great. So I will put it down in the description box below if you guys are looking for something inspirational to listen to get you started on your day. But anyways, it's Tuesday. Hope you guys are having an amazing Tuesday, an amazing start to your day, because I need to go get the toddler dressed and get out of here. We have 10 minutes before I have to do drop off, and then come back, clean up my house, get her ready for school, and just have an amazing day. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Good morning.
So that if they do stick their nose into something where the stick would be, then the all is a stick.
I have to find music. Oh, wait. Be careful. Could you close that door for her so she don't fall out? No, Destiny. Me? Close that door.
Okay.
Maddie, put your belt on.
Maddie, you ready?
Yeah.
Just lift your worship right there in this moment. Anywho, Janela's quarantined for 14 days because she got exposed to COVID with her coworker. So she don't go back to work until tomorrow because she was forced to take a COVID test, which I think is illegal. But they wouldn't take her back until she got the COVID results. So she's not on my schedule until tomorrow. Tomorrow gets hectic for me. She also goes back to Girls on the Run this week, and my anxiety is just like through the roof right now. But I'm gonna go drop off these two, and then I was gonna go to Target, but I have so much to do that I'm just gonna probably do it later. So hey, baby. Just got back in the house, parked the truck. And I don't want to get out because I know that I have a whole bunch of stuff to go in the house and do. It was sunny this morning. Like, I usually don't wear shades when I drive, but it was sunny. Speaking of shades, I have two coming in the mail. They're the Key. Ew, I spit all over the place. They're the Key sunglasses, and I've been wanting them, but I was like, I'm not paying $75 for sunglasses. But they had a sale where you buy one get one free, and I was like, now if you divide that by two, that's different, you know. So I got two coming tomorrow, Wednesday. I think it said it should be here by Wednesday. So, but I love these. I have another pair, but Destiny said they're crooked. But it rained yesterday, and for some reason the sun was like just, so I had to throw on my shades. And I love these. These are pretty. These are cute. I think I got these from my twin sister. I don't talk to her. I don't speak to her anymore. But I think I got these from her. And then, no, I purchased these. She gave me the other crooked ones. So, I love them. I love the style of those, but they just look crooked on my face. Where are they? Yeah, these are them. They're pretty and everything. And oh God, Jordan scared the mess out of me. Oh my gosh, I'm in my house. I shouldn't be seeing random man pulling up to my vehicle, but these are it. Oh God. Like, I love the shape of them, and they had Sweetie and Key had a collaboration where she had sunglasses that had the shape of this, and they were sold out, and I'm so bummed. So hopefully when they come back in stock, I can get my hands on those. You ready to go inside, girl?
No.
Okay, well, we're gonna go inside and clean up because my house is a hot mess. So let's go put a load of laundry in the washer. Yes, Madison? I need to wash my whites today because they're piling up. Laundry room don't look bad. Okay, all right. Ooh, whose clothes are these? Janelle? Can you go tell Janelle to come get her stuff and put it in the dryer? Is there stuff in the dryer? Oh, my knees are. Whew. I'm out of breath and out of shape. I need to get my life together. Like, why am I this out of shape and out of breath? But I'm gonna put a load in the. Did Janelle tell Janelle to get her stuff out? Or you guys can do it. No, go put it. Just put it in.
Huh?
Put her stuff in the dryer. That can wait. I need the dryer, the washer right now.
Did you say you're gonna go put the thing?
I need to wash white and my bed sheet. I need to wash my bed sheet. They're disgustingly dirty. I didn't wash them last Friday, and it's gonna be 2 weeks. 2 weeks this Friday if I don't wash it right now, and that's gross. How often do you wash your bed sheets? I asked that question before, and some of you say twice a week, once a week. So, but I think someone has said once a month, something. But for me, I like to do. Jordan, you don't even say anything. No, you need to get ready for school. You never want to go to school. You're going to be a dunce. I already seasoned my oxtail for dinner today. That's going to be so bomb. It's going to be on point. And I feel like today's going to be an amazing day. Let's do this. I feel like I'm being productive. Bed's all made. I cleaned all the mirrors. I have a crap ton of mirrors in my bedroom. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, why do I have so many mirrors in my bedroom? And I have to dust the shelves over there. But I have a ton of laundry right here in this little egg chair that I need to put away and get started on my bathroom. I don't even know what time it is. It's 8:48, so I feel like I'm making progress. I have 1 hour before Matt starts school, and I want to get as much done on the upstairs portion before I move downstairs, because I still gotta clean the entire downstairs, and I'm tired, but I have all day. So, but it feels so good when your bed is made. It feels like, you know, you're gonna have a productive day. So yeah. Well, hello guys, we meet again. Just got back from Target. I forgot my camera, so I'm just gonna tell you guys all the stuff I picked up. I love these beef sirloin steak that they have. That was $20. No, that was $22. It's expensive, but so good for when I make brown stew beef. And then I picked up this one, the other one, because I need 2 packs. It was $19.58, so a little cheaper than the first one. So I got 2 of that. Let me turn the camera around, because you know I hate when people are showing stuff and they just keep the camera on their face. It's so annoying. So annoying. Oh, all the stuff I had before. I got some high shoe. The kids like these. That's Jason. This is for the household because he did something for his dad. Right here.
I see it. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. So your dad don't owe you anything. Pop-Tarts, s'mores, and our red velvet cupcake. That's for Maddie. Jordan gave me $10 to buy his chips. I got him Flamin' Hot, and he said I could keep the change. You're welcome. Maddie got some donuts. She can share with you. She got veggie straws. I asked her why she chose. She said because she wants to eat healthy. I lied not to you. That's exactly word for word. She wants to eat healthy. But she got a donut though. Oh, the irony of Maddie. I got a Instant Pot because, like I told you guys, I'm deadly afraid of pressure cooker like the one on the stove. So I figured this is much safer. I don't know. I got some cinnamon roll because I want to make those little, I want to put these in this little waffle maker. It was $10. And I got these veggie make grates for me. I think that's it. I got, you know, some green tea unsweetened, and coffee, and then I got her Annie's cookies and cream, and then she got more coffee over here again. This child loves coffee. Need to clean my stove, and I think that's it. That's all I got, right? That's it. Okay, guys. So, oxtail is done. I didn't have any beans, so I didn't put any beans in it, but it's all done. I just gotta let it sit and thicken up the gravy a little bit, and then it's all done. I made it with rice. Dinner looks amazing. It's oxtail. Should give y'all better lighting. Oh my gosh. We're all sitting down to eat dinner. Rob is super hungry because it's way past dinner time. Did y'all say y'all grace?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna end today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. Yes, baby? Okay. You want to say grace? You want to say grace?
Yeah, I got a fight pen.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today, and I will catch you guys on the weekend vlog. So, bye, guys.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand.